So in this recap, gonna do slightly different because this is where I stopped trading yesterday because of my how do you say it? My this I disagree with this action. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna continue price from where we were on the 5 minute, and we're gonna just break it down from here and see what happens. So okay. Damn, that's a strong move for after New York to previous daily lows. This is like what usually happens on Friday. Ooh, tomorrow we got NFP. Pretty interesting. So what happened? We got this bearish structure going on. Got the bullish break, got the bearish break. First we took previous daily highs, then news came in to previous daily lows. Then this is a new spike, and what happens usually during a new spike, this is exactly what I've been testing. And during the high news spikes, we got previous daily high, we got previous daily low, and then we got news liquidity building up to both sides. Oh shit, that's ugly. Hold up. So we got liquidity building up to both sides. Something like that. And then news can oh, what the bro? Okay, let's do it differently. So previous daily high, previous daily low. We get news. It's building up liquidity to both sides of the market. Then the news comes in. Boom. We take one side. Then we take the other side. Or what happens as well is we build up liquidity to both sides. Okay, let's just assume there's liquidity build up to both sides. We take one side, then the news comes in. We take the other side, and then we continue up. Why do we continue up? Because there's news, and there are not a lot of orders. It's just a news move. So all the stuff, as soon as news comes in, we see the impulse down, and everyone starts to sell the news, and all the stops are above here. So we like fake out to the downside, take all the buy stops, and then we can take out the sell stops, and we continue up. And that's exactly what happened over here. As you can see, we got news to the ups or liquidity build up to the upside, liquidity build up to the downside. We take the upside, the news comes in, we take the downside, and then we continue up like a fake move. So now that this happened, we can extend this range. We can get rid of what's going on over here. We can get rid of this. It's Asia highs. Let's get rid of Asia high. Oh, I ate so much just now because today was my cheat day because I absolutely smashed my cup period. Oh, that's clean. Look at this. Asia high taken. So we got Asia highs over here. We got, let's zoom in a little bit. We got previous daily high. Yeah, this previous daily high. So let's remove this one. This is a new previous daily high. And it's taken. Let's match it up with. This is our previous daily low now. It's not taken yet. This is our most recent range. We can get rid of this. Let's just do it like this. Yeah, that's everything. Almost distracting me. I will just mark out this as liquidity. So we can see that price had to take this high to come into the premium of the bearish range. Then we take Asia highs. We took previous daily highs. We don't really have an Asia low. It's ugly as fuck. Or sorry, it's ugly, but it's an Asian low nonetheless. So it's our target. If anything, we can target internal range liquidity. What can we see as well? We can see that this is a low that led to a high and then price takes it out. So we might be able to class this as our early sellers. Then zooming in, what do we see? And the early sellers. This is like an early seller trap because of the impulse. So yes, we can class these as early sellers as well. Because of the trap move, then we get the break of structure. Let's see on another, oh, I can't do that right now. Okay, let's just use this feed. Last, this is a nice order block. And this is just what mitigated it. This one is just about, and this one is also just about. All right. And then we have our setup. Short trade. 2.0, 2.5. So this should be 2.8. We just put it above this high with this wick here. And let's see what happens. And it's a break-even trade or a reduced stop loss. If anything, this entry is before my trade time, so I wouldn't take it because I can come on the charts around this area, not here. And I'm only allowed to trade from here. So yeah, no trade from here. But if I took this trade, it would have been a reduced stop loss because my stop loss would have been here. All right, so we got a nice new set of early sellers. We're looking for sells because we're in the premium of this bearish range on the high time frame. This is our range. I mean, so all right, let's go to the 1 minute. Let's continue. This is too big. Let's use this one now. And now let's wait for a break structure. I see something here that can be a potential short setup. Jump to real-time chart forward. There you go. Entry. So this is like the intricate entry. I don't know if I would take this because it's too intricate. 500. Easy tap in. Off the block, 2.7. See, that's why I like to be patient with this intricate stuff. And rather wait for a real break. Then we can see the price just respects this range and respects the bullish order flow. Now we got a bearish break and we don't have any return to the order block. Move has happened, Asia highs taken, Asia lows taken. We got some minor breaks here. There's an entry. But yeah, we see that we still respect the bullish range. Then we zoom out because we got like our time frame break. We got our 50-minute POI over here. A minute. Let's get rid of this one. So we tapped into that one. We got our low that's to new leads to new high. So we got a bearish break over here on the 15 or 5, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to name it. Let's zoom out to the 5-minute just to see if there's an order block. We got an extreme order block. And we got one over here. Let's go down. What can we see? Not much because there's nothing happening yet. Going to the end of a trading session. Well, New York. Let's see. So we took Asia high. We took Asia low. We already took previous daily highs. We still have previous daily lows to the downside. We have the scalp to fill. We got some internal lows here. Here. Even this one, especially this one, to target. So let's just mark that out as a target. Like that. And let's continue. New York open. Yeah, this is perfect. So we got our early sellers. Over here. Because they took out the lows that led to new highs. And what did they do? They trick the uninformed traders into the market to sell with their sell stops above, creating liquidity to the upside, aka trap move. There you go. Then we still respect this. All right. There you go. And this is oh shit. That would have been a loss. That would have been a loss. Break structure. I would have tried to short from here. Because let me see. Is this bullish range still valid? You can see that I didn't know what happened at all today because I'm still looking for shorts. So that would have been a loss. Oh, damn. We continued up. If anything, we continued our red range. I shouldn't listen to this anymore. Joking. And then this is where we are now. So what can we do? We can get rid of this. Oh shit. Hold on. Let's just do it one by one. Get rid of all that. Get rid of all that. Get rid of that. Let's keep that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. That. And this one as well. And now we can usually I just place them, but I don't know if it will save them, so we'll just do it like this. Get rid of the range. Get rid of this one. Did we take that? Because that would have been, that's perfect. Yes. Literally what I said happened, or what I was expecting to happen yesterday happened. We just about, if you can see it, you can see it over here. We just about took this. So we grabbed some liquidity, internal range liquidity, and we move from one liquidity pool to another. So we took the internal range liquidity. Where can we now target? External range liquidity. That's this high. And then following the daily cycle, here we can see London down, London up for New York, better sell place for New York to go down. Then again, London and pre-New York push New York up to a better place to sell, then trap out, take liquidity, continue up. And here we have like London pushes us down. And then during London, we have a better buy place and we continue up. And now New York had a better buy place or a better sell place. Where are we now? We can take this off and I think we are in the fair value gap on the daily now, fair value gap. Not sure though. Not yet. Nearby though. Schematic? Well, daily FVG. JJ. Oh, I didn't say that. Okay. Yeah, that just happened.